Most people think $10,000 isn't enough to change their life. That's because most people have no idea how wealth actually works. Here's the truth. Your first $10,000 is probably more important than your first $100,000 because it's the moment you stop surviving and start building. And if you use it correctly, $10,000 can completely change the trajectory of your life. Not overnight, but permanently. Most people never escape financial stress because they treat money emotionally instead of strategically. The second they save money, they spend it. A nicer car, a vacation, designer clothes, lifestyle upgrades, and that keeps them trapped because broke people use money to look successful. Wealthy people use money to build systems. That's the difference. $10,000 is powerful because it's enough to create momentum. And momentum is everything financially. Once you stop living month to month, your brain changes. You think longer term, you take smarter risks, you stop panicking. And that's when wealth starts compounding. But here's where most people fail. They think investing alone will save them. It won't, because if your habits stay broke, your money will disappear too. Your first $10,000 has one job: buy freedom, not luxury. That means eliminating high-interest debt, building an emergency cushion, creating income-producing systems, investing in skills, buying time back. This is the phase where you stop being fragile financially. Because being broke isn't just about income, it's about having zero margin for error. One car repair, one medical bill, one layoff, and your life collapses. $10,000 changes that. It creates breathing room, and breathing room creates opportunity. Now suddenly you can negotiate better. Switch jobs, start a side hustle, invest consistently, think clearly. That's why this amount matters so much psychologically. It's the beginning of financial confidence. If I had only $10,000 today, here's exactly how I'd use it. First, I'd keep at least 3 to 6 months of expenses protected, because survival mode destroys decision-making. Second, I'd invest in increasing my income. This is where most people get it backwards. Your income is your biggest wealth-building tool. A certification, a business skill, sales, content creation, AI tools, marketing. One high-income skill can outperform investments for years early on. Then I'd automate investing, not gambling, not chasing hype, simple long-term investing, index funds, retirement accounts, consistent contributions, because wealth is usually boring. But here's the important part nobody talks about. The real power isn't the $10,000. It's the identity shift. You become someone who saves, invests, thinks long-term, delays gratification, builds assets. That identity compounds harder than money ever will. And once you hit your first $10,000, the next becomes easier, then easier again, because wealth building is heavily psychological. Most people sabotage themselves right after making progress. They increase lifestyle faster than assets. This is why people making $50,000, $100,000, even $200,000 still feel broke. Because every income increase becomes bigger rent, nicer cars, more subscriptions, more consumption, instead of ownership. Real wealth comes from owning things that pay you back. Businesses, investments, skills, assets, audience, equity, not status symbols. And this is where your first $10,000 can change everything. Because it's your chance to break the cycle before lifestyle inflation traps you permanently. Nobody gets rich from one lucky moment. They get rich from building systems. And your first $10,000 is the foundation of those systems. It's proof you can delay gratification, you can think long-term, you can build momentum, you can escape survival mode. Most people will waste this stage trying to look rich. Don't. Use it to become financially dangerous instead. Because once you understand how money actually works, your life stops revolving around bills and starts revolving around freedom. If you want the next video, I'll show you exactly how I'd invest $10,000 step by step in 2026 to build long-term wealth. Subscribe now because that video changes the game.